Hello my lovely people. In today's video I want to show now how I take make this hairstyle. So I section small attachment I use until start am. So I go braid the hair now about 3 or 4 times before I start to add hair joiner. So I go add hair now, small join the hair. I'll add am like that. I go use and take braid am. So I go add another one. Go add am, use and take braid am. And so I'll take add all the hair joiner. Now see as I take add the hair. Any hair when I add, I'll use and take braid am. I go add another one now. As I braid am, they carry the hair join am. They braid am. So the one when I add now, it reach me till the braid am. I'll use that one till the braid am now before I go add joiner for the length. Now see am. I'll weave the hair like that. So I'll braid am now. I'll braid am like that. I don't add joiner, make for reach the length when she need. I'll continue the braid. I don't add another one joiner. Now see am. My lovely people, how na dey? I also na dey fine. No, me too, I dey fine. I really appreciate all una support. Una till they support me, they take una time till they watch my video. I appreciate. I bet if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So I'll continue the braid now. You'll the braid down like that. I'll twist the tip of the hair. As it don't reach the end, I'll twist them. So I'll twist them like that. I'll start the other one now. I section small attachments. This hair I use color 2. The attachment when I use. So I go to add hair now. I add them small. I will take and take braid down. I go add another one again. Now so I take continue around. Now they add hair. Anyone when I add, I'll use and take braid. Then show now see as I dey do. I will still add again now. Use and take braid down. And so I take continue. As I dey add down, I dey carry her hair. They join her. So I will continue around. You can roll the hair they go. I no see am. Na the same thing. You continue. They add hair, they braid am. I see am. I still add another one. So you dey braid the hair now. If you no long reach, I go still add another hair. You continue on like that. So I don't add another hair. I continue the braid. Oh, you braid the hair like that. Go reach the ending. Now the same thing. Oh. I also now learn one or two things for this video. So you twist the tip now. I see as I take the twist and you twist around. You twist on like that. Now the final look now be this. I go see you now for my next video. Bye.